The Dolphin XP005 can cut a wide range of key types including house keys, car keys, and motorcycle keys, and designed to provide high precision key cutting. The XP005 has two versions. One version comes without the battery and is ran by a power supply while needing to be plugged in at all times. The other version comes with the battery but does cost more. You may purchase the battery for the version that runs on a power supply if needed at a later date of your initial purchase for an additional cost.
We just turned off the machine and we have to do the update. So I just finished updating the machine. Okay, now this is a XP005. The machine is updated. Now we are going to set up the machine, all the functions in the machine. Right here, recording settings. We verified this is a 1.5 or 2. I know it is a 1.5. We'll have to select 1.5. Now we're going to set the clamp according to the instructions.
Please continue to the next step. Read the tips carefully before operate.
No, it's fine. We are using this one. Now we are going to do the cutting calibration. Make sure you have the clamp M5 in position A. In this one you have to put the key. Now we are going to cut the key. We place the key in the position of the clamp. Now I'm going to cut the key. Now the cutting is complete. We have to press OK. Now we are going to clean the clamp. Insert the key for the other side. Okay, we finished cutting the key. Remove the key, clean it a little bit. And if you can see. Now we finished cutting the key, the automotive key with the XP005. Now it's time to cut a key for a house key or residential key. We're going to go to universal key duplication. Then we're going to cut this key. It's a single key, single side. We have to select a standard single side. Now we select the tip, align, select the clamp.
Before cutting, please confirm cutting information is correct.
Right, then it's fine. Now we are going to put the key in the machine. Now we have to put the key blank, insert the blank key. Now we just finished cutting the key. Compare the key with the original one. And if you can see, it's a perfect match.
So head on over to LOCKSMITHKEYLESS.com and get the Dolphin XP005 today.